Hey friends, today we're making tomato basil soup. It's warm, comforting, and perfect for chilly days. Let's get started. For this soup, you'll need canned diced tomatoes, white onion, garlic, olive oil, vegetable broth, coconut milk, dried basil, salt, and black pepper. First, heat olive oil in the pan. Then add the onion and garlic and cook until softened. Once the onion and garlic are softened, add the canned tomatoes and dried basil. Stir everything together and let the flavors start to build. Now pour in the vegetable broth and coconut milk. Let it simmer gently so everything can blend into a smooth base. Carefully transfer everything to a full-size blender. Secure the lid and blend until smooth and creamy. Creamy, cozy, and full of flavor, this tomato basil soup is comfort in a bowl. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.